enyum na meto me body free me till so be see me na ase any power so control na ye Mr. Adoye. So everything about my body as say me worry penny die e was say me ye de penny oh of
what do you to know kwano mo ya omudi kan me ansa no
important so mpacha ye woto
bisa we Brakwesi sem bebre wo kromu ha Brakwesi e wase e kan wansem me body ni die ye guso afra me empress me din sesan me se me wari pen enti me ye dia pen na question ni die me ye ready say me gina me answer
enti pen boy ni yo mo to dia
yo mo to na me kasa me se ye pen ye
dia pen boy ni mo ye
yes
pen boy ni mo yo mo to dia
na we so dia ye bibie na body
Body.
Mrs. Gift Adoye. Oh, Mrs. Bubo paying 40. Old picture. Oh, and so what? If you wouldn't even 5 years. No.
I told you.
I may free me to specimen nasi and found. Very simple. Free me to so. If it's a what me talk. Panty for share. Yeah, me to support a share. Yes, that's all she is. What about tie? I mean, thank you. So, Empress, I don't need to tell you whatever I want to wear. What I